I'm just doing some behind the scenes action. I'm doing some LED wiring. So take note. Controller, we're straight ahead. All right. So you can see the wire configuration, LED, tile, LEDs inside, plexiglass and all that, illumination. Okay, you get it. Look at the intricate wirings. And so I'm fishing these LEDs through here to get through here and put lighting there to make it look like that. I'll give you more information a little bit later. This is just what I do outside of radio. I'm just having fun, you know, doing the creative stuff.
Do it yourself
with the DIY radio DJ.
Jay smoking me, yeah!